We're still waiting on that bottom piece to come in. They're making that. I don't know when that'll be in. That, and I'm going to start taking the lead out of the joints because it's all cracked on everything. Give you a shot of it here. You can see where it's all cracked. So all this old lead's got to come out because paint's not going to stick to it and it's going to look like hell within a little matter of time. So that lead runs all the way into here, all the way up and around. So we'll get that done. See what happens from there. Alright. I'm going to take all the lead out of here. No, I'm not going to work harder. I'm just taking the lead out, man. Taking the lead out of the other place. The reason we're taking it out because it's all cracked. Old lead. Oh, what, 70 some odd years old. 80 years old. Got the majority of it off. Still got to clean all this down in this machine. As much out of there as we can. Norton rapid strip, 4 1/4 or 4 1/2 inch. That's what I use to take all the paint off in here. wants to use, but we'll find out. Don't matter to me. So that's one side. All we gotta do now is the other. It'll look just like that, so we're not going to show you that one. Why repeat ourselves? But while we got that all off, before we put anything in there, I got some work I got to do here where they sunk it in here. We got some pulling. I got a hump here I got to get rid of. The trunk lid doesn't fit right. So we're going to heat, beat, and bend to fit, I guess. Of course, y'all know that's what I like to do anyways. I'll have to clean up in here more before we do any filler. Alright, let's go.